I was a little apprehensive at first, thinking, oh, are my kids going to be able to sit there for that long? But they literally were engaged the whole time. I would say that Mr. Brown was really engaging and exciting and talked to their level, and I think they just felt really important.
I like that the kids all get on the same page, and sometimes even the staff needs to be on the same page, and I think that he did a really good job of bringing that together. He was very enthusiastic and got the kids involved right away, which I don't think we've ever had a speaker here that did it quite as well. And staff also immediately were drawn in. Mr. Brown has a pretty good energy that he brings to the school. It's a lot of the same things that I tell my students regularly, and they need to hear it from more than one person, and I appreciated the way that it was presented.
Yeah, I mean, just with right now what's going on in our world, we have a lot of kids, that are facing really hard lives, and so just meeting their needs at that level and being kind and seeing that they can't always control all the things that happen to them in their daily life, but they can control and respond to how they react to a situation.
I think the benefit of that is for kids to see that there are adults that are feeling the same way and that have different experiences than we have here in our community, that also believe that things can change if you change your attitude towards the world and the way that you behave. We don't get a lot of speakers coming way out here. When we do, we manage to get some good ones. I think it's beneficial for kids to see people that don't fit into their normal everyday experience, but then hear things that they have in common with them, and that there's a way for you to make a connection with people no matter where they're from. I just think it's good for them. It's healthy for them to have experiences with lots of different people of all different ages and backgrounds, and for them to see that the things that you bring to the table matter. The things that kids bring to the table matters.